Hi, I'm Osas, founder of Deep.Meta. Deep.Meta is an AI platform to predict production defects in metals, which enables them to have less material loss and subsequently use less energy and reduce their carbon emissions. We live in a world where almost everything uses and needs steel. And so when you're in a steel plant, you're right at the heart of where things begin in our society. For every ton of steel made, there is around 2 tons of carbon that is emitted as a result of that. So there's a lot of effort towards decarbonizing the industry. In fact, many of the largest steel companies in the world have actually pledged to be carbon neutral by 2050. As a result of that, making steel right first time is really important. If you have to rework the steel, and that might sometimes involve remelting it, that can increase your energy costs and energy consumption by quite substantial amounts. And what we've learned is that in this industry, there's a lot more waste of material than there ought to be. And we think that's directly linked to not being able to leverage their existing data to inform their decision making. So we get data from our customers and partners, and we are able to make predictions on what the quality of steel is going to be like, and subsequently give them a recommendation as to what they can change in their production line to avoid any kind of quality issue. Otherwise, there might be a higher degree of rework, and in the worst case scenarios, you would have to have the steel remelted, and that's what we're really trying to avoid. Rolling this out internationally will allow us to have meaningful impact in this industry.